I want to learn cryptocurrency, but where do I start from? Obviously, that's a question I receive all the times. That's a question many people keep on asking me. So today, I'm going to answer your questions. You are going to start learning cryptocurrency by downloading the following apps we are going to discuss on today. Because in our subsequent lessons, we are going to deep into cryptocurrency. We are already talking on Bitcoin itself. Our next lesson is going to be on blockchain technology. We are already deep into cryptocurrency, very deep. So, the following apps, you should download them into your phone because we are eventually going to be using most of those apps when we start talking about creating your own account, how to use keys, wallet, exchanges. We are going to be using a lot of those apps, and of course, we are going to be creating our accounts. We are going to do that together, so don't panic. You just need to download the apps. When we get there, I'm going to give you the procedure. You follow the procedure, you create your account. I also lead you to verify your account. We do what we call the KYC. Obviously, we are going to talk about all of these terminologies, KYC, P2P, everything. We will discuss it as we are going gradually into cryptocurrency in details. So, you are welcome once more to the MDB Crypto Academy. Here, we make cryptocurrency very easy to understand. We make cryptocurrency accessible to anyone. So, you are very much welcome. So today, we are going to be discussing on apps that you need as a crypto beginner or crypto investor or someone that is curious to know more about cryptocurrency. So, what are some of these apps? What are some of these apps that you need? The first is you need a wallet. We are going to discuss more about wallet. You will see the types of wallet. You will see how to get your phrases. You are going to know what seed phrases they mean. So for wallet, you are going to download Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is our main wallet we are going to be using. The advantage of wallet is you own your key phrases. Two phrases does not exist per wallet. A single phrase per wallet. So phrases are 24 words that are given to you, and they serve like your keys. Only you can access that wallet via those keys, those 24 words. You own those 24 words the moment you create your account on Trust Wallet. Yours are generated and given to you. You can use it anywhere. But mind you, if you make a mistake and someone lays his hands on, the person can access your wallet because those 24 phrases are peculiar to your wallet only. So the first is our wallet, and under our wallet, we are downloading the Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. The second app we need is an exchange, a crypto exchange. Unlike the wallet, an exchange is kind of centralized. A wallet is decentralized. Only you own your key phrases. Nobody can access your wallet. If today you are no more and nobody knows about your key phrases, all your holdings, all your portfolio, it stays there. Nobody is going to access it. So we are going to talk more about your phrases and how important they are to you. So our second app is an exchange. An exchange is where you can buy, you can sell cryptocurrency, you can trade cryptocurrencies. So the exchange I'm recommending here is the Binance. The first is Binance. You are going to download Binance to your phone. The second is OKX. The second is OKX. So, subsequently, in our next lessons, we are going to create our accounts on all these two exchanges, the Binance and the OKX. We are going to verify your account. We are going to do two-factor verification. We are going to verify your account. And obviously, you are going to know how to navigate through an exchange. How can you buy? How can you maneuver on an exchange? How can you buy and hold cryptocurrencies on an exchange? How can you send from one person to another? The various blockchains, the various cryptocurrencies on that exchange, you will know how to maneuver your way through. The third is we need a crypto price monitoring app, an active price monitoring app, where you can monitor the price of cryptocurrencies every day. You need an app where you can open every day. You monitor how the prices of cryptocurrencies are moving. And the one I am recommending is the CoinMarketCap. The CoinMarketCap is the best. You just need to download the CoinMarketCap into your phone, because we are going to be discussing about on the CoinMarketCap. I will break it down for you to understand. You will see how to navigate. You will see how to differentiate between maximum supply, total supply, speculative supply, trading per 24 hours. All of that you will also get to know into details. So you download CoinMarketCap into your phone. I think for now, these are the four main apps we need to download into our phones. You have begun your way. You already started your crypto journey by downloading these apps. First, the Trust Wallet, which is a wallet. Second, OKX and Binance. Fourth, CoinMarketCap. So you download these apps. This is the first step to cryptocurrency. Where you have these apps, we are going to create your account. You will know how to use this app. This is where cryptocurrency is taking place. This is where people are doing the transaction I have been discussing about. So until then, we are going to be diving into our next most important topic in our previous lesson, which is the blockchain technology, the blockchain itself. We are going to discuss more about blockchain, the types of blockchains, how are blocks being formed, how are transactions being recorded. For example, the banks they record their transactions. We have what we call a bank teller. They issue what we call bank tellers to you. But on a blockchain technology, there's what we call a hash, a transaction hash. You will get to understand what a transaction hash is. How is your transaction being recorded? Yeah, all of those things we are going to explore them. We are going to explain them subsequently in our next lesson. And I wish you make it to the next lesson, because it's getting excited. So please follow, like, subscribe. Together, let's grow the channel. Invite others. Let's learn. Let's share the knowledge together. Let's grow together. And I will see you on the next one. Until then, you stay blessed.